David Hatfield here with some Star Wars news. An unreleased, deleted scene from Star Wars The Force Awakens may shine some light on one of the film's more mysterious characters, Maz Kanata. This comes from an interview with Collider, which grilled members of the movie's visual effects staff on what was cut from the final film. Now obviously, the description of said cuts gets into some minor spoiler territory. Turn back now if you want to remain unsullied. The scene that SFX supervisor Chris Corbould describes takes place in Maz Kanata's cantina. After the stormtroopers invade, the heroes make a break for it through tunnels beneath her establishment. With the stormtroopers giving chase, Maz uses her powers to collapse the ceiling. The scene does a lot to reframe what little we know about Maz. It's obvious in the theatrical release that she's force sensitive, but the scene makes it absolutely clear that she can wield it as well. This raises even more questions about an already mysterious character. There are more deleted scenes promised for the movie's Blu-ray release. Just don't expect an extended cut, according to director J.J. Abrams. For more on The Force Awakens, stay tuned to IGN.